Now is the time. Real talk about hair systems. Guys, stick around. We're going to get into it. Welcome to the High Level Man. Welcome to the channel. Rick here, your guru for getting hair on your head. All things are possible, and I want to talk to you today about something. There's a lot of hype going around about hair systems. You can go to YouTube, and it's a big subject right now. But let's talk about the reality of it. Real talk about hair systems. And where does one start with that? Well, I suppose the natural place would be, why do it? Why does one want to do it? And the obvious answer is there is no obvious answer, because it tends to be different for everyone. Some guys feel like they just are very insecure without it. Some guys look great bald, but they still want hair back on their heads. It's just the desire to be what we once was, to look the way we once did. Even though we can embrace a bald head and we can shave what's left and, do all of that, we still really down deep inside want hair in our heads. I don't think that anyone has ever woke up one morning and looked in the mirror and looked at their hair and noticed it thinning and going, oh my gosh, great, I'm gonna be bald. That just doesn't happen. So real talk is we all basically want to look better. Then what happens when it comes down to actually doing it? So many questions about, is it comfortable? Does it itch? Do you sweat underneath it? Does it smell once you do? Will other people know that I'm wearing a hair system? All of those things that come to our minds, and then, God forbid, all of the guys walking around with these horrible rugs on their head. I see them out all the time, and I so bad want to go up and say, man, I could really help you. But I don't do that. Anyway, so we all know what I'm talking about. So the real talk of the situation is this. It's really pretty cut and dried. It's really pretty simple. Wearing hair for me has been such a game changer. It has given me a lot of confidence, and I don't typically walk around feeling insecure, and I'm certainly not an introvert. I talk to everybody that I see, and I'm happy pretty naturally. And but I don't know, when I got hair on my head and people started saying, man, you look great. Man, your hair looks great. I'm sorry, that feels good, right? It feels good. Particularly whenever you're one such as whenever I'm out and about with my wife, that people to say to her, man, you are beautiful. I've always had that cross to bear, to have a very stunning wife. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, so those things feel good. That gives you a lot of confidence. It takes some years off of you. You look younger. And this is what I believe with every fiber in me. So many times we are what we feel. But there's one level higher than that. We are what we believe. And whenever we look in the mirror and we think, okay, that is an improvement. Getting hair back on my head is an improvement. It's a confidence booster. You walk into a room, you can suddenly see that you're owning that room. You're not standing off around the edges trying to hide, but you are in command of that. And it's just a confidence boost, major confidence boost. I wish I had any number of my clients here right now to give their testimonies about just how much confidence it gave them. And these guys aren't going around, being pitiful. Oh, look at me, woe is me, I look awful, I hate it. Nah, it wasn't that, but they saw an opportunity where they could look better, and they did it. Real talk about hair systems. What does it cost? So if you come to me, what I give you is training. It's school. It's Hair Systems 101. I tell you what to do, what not to do, and I don't believe in you coming for an appointment and me taking your hair off to another room and coming back and sticking it on you with you turned away from the mirror, that sort of thing. I do everything right in front of you. And I tell you, if your first time, and this is the only time you have to do this, is the very first time, unless you just want to come and go for round 2, which is fine with me as well. But I tell you what to do, why to do it, what not to do. I make the template. I show you how to do that. I cut the hair system to fit the template. Show you how to do that. I get it on your head. Show you what bond to use, what's best for your lifestyle, all of that. And then you come after that initial visit, which to get it all done. I mean, that's including your hair, that's including the training, the class, all the questions that you want to ask about products, which one to use, and my personal experiences on using each one of them. So it's just a wealth of knowledge. And so we spend about 3 hours together. And with all that, it's $1,500, and you leave with hair on your head. And then from there on out, you possess the ability to take care of it yourself. When you need new hair, you order new hair. You have the template that you got from me, so you know how to do that and cut the system to fit the template. You full well know at this point how to put it on your head. And so then all you need me for is that next initial cut in to make sure that everything blends right. Really important. There are lots of little nuances here and there that I have learned along the way that I would look at someone with a hair system and say, okay, that doesn't look completely natural. Why? And I would pick out things, and then I found a solution to where it would make it look totally natural and take those things away, so it becomes disappears completely that you're wearing hair. It just looks like your hair. So, all right, what about my very active lifestyle? Well, let's see. Let's talk about me again. Sorry. Motorcycle, ocean, swimming pool, roller coasters, convertible, on and on and on. What about that? It all depends on your actual skin and what bond works best for you. And I found that to be different from one person to the next too. Ghost Bond works well for me in the wintertime when I'm not sweating. It's pathetic for me in the summertime when I am. Does not work. It might for you. I have a very oily scalp, and so it just doesn't. But if I want a foolproof way to glue it on my head, it's Walker's Ultra Hold every time, and then I don't have to worry about it or think about it. The thing is, the Ghost Bond's a lot easier to work with than the Walker's is. So there's that. So there's real talk about bond. Ghost Bond, winter works great for me. Summertime, not so much. But it's not a big deal. It's not a problem. So there's that part of it. What about people knowing that I do it? Well, I would encourage you to just own it. I mean, I hate to break it to you like this, but if someone sees you bald and the next day they see you looking like this, they're gonna know something is up. So I would just say, yeah, I've checked into wearing a hair system, and that's what I'm doing. And what takes the blow and the edge off of that for you is that I promise you that they're going to say, well, I would have never known it. You've got to be kidding. And they'll want to get up close and look at the hairline and blah, blah, blah. And so all I ever got was compliments. I never got one single person that said, you're wearing a toupee? No, they were all amazed. So that's the real deal. I'm not just blowing hot air here at you. I'm telling you what my experience has truly, truly been. So, real talk, how does it feel on your head? How do I say this where you don't misunderstand me? I never notice it. Whenever I do this or the wind blows it, I don't know how to describe it to you, but it feels just like my own hair. My scalp moves with it. I never notice it. Real talk, I never think about it either. I'm not checking the mirror 10 times a day. Oh, is it still looking good? Is it still holding? Is it still stuck down? No, I don't do it. I recently purchased a Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, and so you know how that thing is. The top comes off, the doors come off. I mean, you're just riding around naked practically with nothing around you. And I'm telling you, you have to be holding on in that thing, because sometimes there are crosswinds that will surprise you, and it will nearly knock me out of that silly thing. But I'll tell you one thing, all this hair's doing is blowing in the wind. That's it. And it feels really good for it to be doing that. So real talk about hair systems. Is it affordable? We've talked about that. Compared to other places you can go to where you become a slave to their service. You have to go in weekly or every other week to have it taken off and put it back on. If you get into a situation where something's happened and gone wrong, you have to get an emergency appointment and go, and it is expensive. Ricky boy here, I guess I don't consider myself, I'm on the cheap side. I enjoy purchasing things that are quality, and I'll pay the price for it if that's the case. But I just see that that's blowing money for no reason at all, whenever it's so simple and easy to do yourself. That way, you're never a slave to it. Let me say that again. That way, you are never a slave to it. If you need to do something to it, you do it right at home. And so let's talk real talk about time. I just spoke with a guy who watched one of the videos, and he asked about, yeah, but how long does it take? How much time do you spend doing all that? And so I always chuckle at that, because everybody thinks it's going to be more of a commitment than it really is. So there is a video, I think Super Hair Pieces has the video. I don't think it's on my channel, I think it's on theirs, to where there's a timer up in the left-hand corner, and I'm replacing my hair system. And I think at that time, from taking it off and putting it back on, it was 10 minutes. So, and I said a couple of things. Number one, I am not going to spend $1,000 a month doing this. I am not. As much as I love having it, I am not. I am not going to spend an hour a week messing with it. You know, taking it off, putting it on, doing all that. I'm not going to do that. And so his question to me was, I notice that you just put the glue around the edges of that system. You see guys who put glue all over the top of someone's head. Great, that's super. You've seen me put it entirely on the complete skin base of the system, coat the whole entire thing. And then it dawned on me, it was like, well, wait a minute, because I was in there cleaning it up, and it's like, you know, trying to get that off. It's gooey and messy, and it makes a mess on the countertop and all of that. And I thought, do I really need all that glue all up in the top of this? So I tried it, and it worked beautifully. I put it just around the perimeter edge, and I put a little dot here and a little dot here in the middle, and that's it. And that makes the cleanup a breeze. And so what that gives Mr. Impatience, what that gives me is the last time I installed, took the unit off, and let me add this little part here. What will make the biggest difference in the whole wide world is that you get 2 at a time. That way, you take one off, put it in the cleaner, the solvent, put it up for the night, and you've got another one ready to go right on your head. So I took it off, dabbed the edges where the bond was with cotton, sprayed it with C22, put it in the dish. shaved my head afresh, washed it, got it all squeaky clean, grabbed the next one, put the, I was using the Ghost Bond Supreme is what I was using, put it around the edges, about an inch worth around the edges, put a little dot right here in the middle, a little dot right here in the middle, turned over the mirror, stuck it on my head, patted it around, took a little comb and made sure the front edge was done, combed it in place, blew it dry right quick, and you know how much time that was? 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Not lying. As a matter of fact, I'm going to shoot a video of me doing it to prove it to you that that's it. Now, right at first, little warning, it wasn't that way. I spent a lot more time because there was a bit of a learning curve, but it was over quick. So, hey, you can do this. So, real talk to real men about having hair systems on your head, about not worrying about it, about being confident, about no one mentioning it, because this is what I hear when I mention it to people who know me. I forget you do that. Yeah, that's what we're after right there, guys. So, hey, let's plow through, be real man, real talk. Let's get down to the nitty gritty of it all. And I'll tell you, no big deal, bro. No big deal. Just go for it. It's all good. Peace out, guys. You got hair.